Hello, I'm Jim Kennedy from National Pond Service. If you have a pond that's covered with duckweed, you only have a few options. One approach is to chemically treat it. The chemicals will kill the duckweed for a short period of time, but quite often they come back as the duckweed on the bottom of the pond rots. A second approach is to use mechanical harvesting. That takes an awful lot of work, and if you miss a little bit of duckweed, it'll grow back again. An approach we like to take is the third approach, and that's biological. We use a combination of aeration, probiotic bacteria, and an external filter that sits on the outside of the pond. The water is pumped from your pond into the filter where it reacts with a special type of algae. This algae has been selected to outcompete the duckweed for the nutrients. By starving the duckweed, you will reduce the growth on your pond.